Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chidamra from Pop Out with Chidda, and if you are new to my channel then subscribe and hit the bell button so that you do not miss any of my videos. So today I am gonna do an unboxing and a review video on the POSH case. So let me quickly tell you about what POSH case is and what's so special about this box. So the POSH case is a monthly lifestyle subscription box which contains around 6 to 10 products, and this is for 12.99 rupees. But if you buy annually, yearly, quarterly, half yearly, the price gets reduced. Also, I have a coupon code for you that is HOTCHIDA5, by which you can avail 5% discount. All the products in this brown colored sturdy box, it's always properly decorated, as this time they have decorated with this mirrors, circular mirrors all over on the cover, and this actually looks amazing when you keep in your cupboard with all your stuff inside. It's a very good box which is really sturdy, and all the products inside it are wrapped inside a wrapping paper, as you can see. So this looks really amazing, and it always gives you a feeling as if it's your birthday today. So let's get started and see what all I have received in my April POSH case edition. The first product that you can see in front of you is this batik green and black colored dress. This is below knee length, and it's best for summer because it's cotton material and it has half sleeves as well. Then it has collar, which is actually perfect for me because I have a thin and long neck, so it suits me really well. Then it has buttons in front, so this dress you can wear as a kurta or as a dress. It's really amazing product. Next product that I have received is this black colored belt. This shows that it's a new product, and it's a matte finished black colored belt. Well, as I'm extra small, so I have to punch some holes inside it, which is not difficult for me. And this is how the belt looks like from close up. And I think they have given this belt so that I can team up with the dress they have provided. I'm happy to receive this. So the next product is this yummy herbal hair pack. This contains 14 herbs, and as you know, herbs are very good for our skin, hair, body, everything. So it's a very great product that I've received in POSH case. It contains a shower cap as well, and it's a 50-gram product. It has no paraben and sulfate inside it, and it's a homemade product. Packaging looks really impressive for me, and direction of use is also mentioned behind, as well as with ingredients, and their contact details is also mentioned. So this is how the herbal pack looks like. Let me quickly open and show you. So here you can see there is a shower cap and some powder inside. Then the next product that I have received is this handcrafted organic care diamond facial massage gel. It's a product of Helen Mock Healthcare, specially formulated for POSH case, and this is 100 ml product for 600 rupees. Shelf life is 1 year, and it is formulated in February 2018. Then direction of use is mentioned behind, and the ingredients are also mentioned. This is a green colored one, and it looks like aloe vera gel. This is the consistency. This blends really well and gets absorbed quickly in my skin. See? The next product that I've received is this khaki colored nail paint from Teen Beauty. It's a 8 ml product, and the shade is 11. I really love this color. The next product that I've received is this Footman Golden Banana Nourishing Hand Cream This helps to repair and protects dry, chapped hands. It's made in Thailand and it has all natural and eco-friendly products. Then it is manufactured in November 2016 and expires in November 2018. Then it's without paraben and silicone. It has no mineral oil and is free from alcohol. Let me open and show how the product looks like. By the way, I really love their packaging. So this is how the product looks from inside. It has such a pretty packing and it's a 40-gram product. Then let me quickly open and show you. It smells like banana. This absorbs really fast in my skin. I know my hands look quite dirty, but they are not. So I've also received a necklace from Felicious, Shop Felicious, and you can see how amazingly they have packed this necklace on a card. This is a wooden owl and has a bead. Then the chain is golden and blackish tinged so that it doesn't look cheap as the golden one. I love this one and it's very light, extremely light. So the next one is this handbag, cute handbag in front of you that you can see. It's hand printed stem and leaves and also has this flower pattern on it. It's a very good quality one and the sling is attached. You cannot remove it, but it's an adjustable one, so you can adjust the length of it. And it has a zip also inside, so all the products are secured. And it has a small, I hope you're able to see, a small space to keep something here. And then it's really spacious, by the way. The last two products in this box that I have received are this Good Day Britannia Wonderful Cookies. It contains cocoa and nuts and it's for 25 rupees. Well, who does not know about Britannia? And the next one is this Comfura underarm pads. So let me quickly open and show you how it looks like. This is how the pad is, and there are two pads inside. And you just have to peel this and place this part on your cloth, and this is facing towards your underarm. Stick it on your clothes so that it does not move and there are no signs of yucky spots on your clothes. So that's all what's in my April Posh Case edition. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that the theme of the April Posh Case edition is Hot and What Not edition. So all the products matches with the theme and I really love all of them. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and comment below, and do tell me that how do you like the products and what's your star product in this. Well, I'll meet you soon, but I want to tell you that I'm gonna do a giveaway in collaboration with Posh Case really soon. So stay tuned for further more videos. Bye.